Hello students, in today's video I will be discussing polysaccharides with you. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight into today's topic and explore the polysaccharides. Polysaccharides contain a large number of monosaccharide units joined together by glycosidic linkages. These are the most commonly encountered carbohydrates in natures. They mainly act as the food storage or structural materials. The first example of polysaccharides is starch. Starch is the main storage polysaccharide of plants. It is the most important dietary source for human beings. High content of starch is found in cereals, roots, tubers, and some vegetables. It is a polymer of glucose and consists of two components, amylose and amylopectin. Amylose is a water soluble component which constitutes about 15 to 20% of starch. Chemically, amylose is a long unbranched chain with 200 to 1000 alpha D plus glucose units held together by C1C4 glycosidic linkage. Amylopectin is insoluble in water and constitutes about 80 to 85% of starch. It is a branched chain polymer of alpha D glucose units in which chain is formed by C1C4 glycosidic linkage, whereas branching occurs by C1C6 glycosidic linkage. Second example of polysaccharides is cellulose. Cellulose occurs exclusively in plants and it is the most abundant organic substance in plant kingdom. It is a predominant constituent of cell wall of plant cells. Cellulose is a straight chain polysaccharide composed only of beta D glucose units which are joined by glycosidic linkage between C1 of one glucose unit and C4 of the next glucose unit. The third example of starch is glycogen. The carbohydrates are stored in animal body as glycogen. It is also known as animal starch because its structure is similar to amylopectin and is rather more highly branched. It is present in liver, muscles, and brain. When the body needs glucose, enzymes breaks the glycogen down to glucose. Glycogen is also found in yeast and fungi. So students, you have just learned about the polysaccharides. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to and share the channel. Also leave a comment to get answers of your question in the next video. That is all for now. See you in the next video.